Expense and accrual. A company pays rent quarterly in arrears on 1 January, 1 April, 1 July, and 1 October each year. The rent was increased from $22,500 per year to $30,000 per year as from 1 October 20x4. What rent expense and accrual should be included in the company's financial statements for the year ended 31 January 20x5? Answer: February to March 20x4, 5,625 times 2 over 3, $3,750. April to June, $5,625. July to September, $5,625. October to December, $7,500. January 20x5, 7,500 times 1 over 3, $2,500. Rent expense for the year, $25,000. Accrual for rental equals 7,500 times 1 over 3 equals 2,500.